Drone and e-bike delivery for DIY tools in rural Germany, by DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb. Germany-based drone delivery project LieferMichel recently announced a new partnership with Michelstadt-based DIY store PROFI MERTENS to deliver small items by an electric cargo bike or by a Wingcopter delivery drone. Customers can choose from a range of objects weighing up to 4 kilograms, 8.8 pounds, from fasteners to screwdrivers and other small tools. Founded in 1964, PROFI MERTENS is a third-generation family business in the Odenwald region that serves both commercial and individual customers. The Wingcopter 198 delivery drone being used has a range of up to 110 kilometers and is specifically designed for wind resistance. The innovative design combines rotor and fixed-wing functionality and features extensive failsafes for maximum peace of mind, including 2 batteries and a redundant flight control system. We are delighted to be part of this innovative project and to be able to offer our customers in Würzburg and Rehbach an additional service. When my grandfather opened our first store 90 years ago, he very quickly purchased a small van to be able to deliver to customers further away. Today, we make shopping easier for customers by flying orders for smaller goods to them by drone, a great development, comments Stefan Mertens, Managing Director of PROFI MERTENS. It's great that more and more retailers from a wide range of product categories are taking part in this pilot project. This underlines the fact that companies, especially in rural regions, are open to new approaches and are thinking about how they can make life easier for their customers, says Ansgar Kadura, co-founder and chief services officer of Wingcopter. Professor Dr. Kai Oliver Schock, president of the Frankfurt University of Applied Sciences, adds, "The project shows how necessary it is to supply the population in rural areas with all the products they need on a daily basis." LieferMichel is a joint venture by Wingcopter and the Frankfurt University of Applied Sciences, which is funded by the German Federal Ministry for Digital and Transport, BMDV, as part of the Innovative Air Mobility Funding Directive. The goal of the project is to explore drone delivery as a commercial project. Additional partners include the city of Michelstadt, Rewe, Vodafone and Riesa and Mulla are also involved in the project.